In this video, I'll show you how you leave files in place in Final Cut Pro. So now I have Final Cut Pro open. You click this downward facing arrow, and first you select the device you want to import your material. And after you've done that, you navigate to the right hand side bar where you have this file selection, and from there you can select leave files in place. And after you've selected that, you can import all your material. Choosing leave files in place in Final Cut Pro can save disk space. If you select this option, Final Cut Pro creates references to the original media files at their current location rather than copying them into the library. This saves memory because you're not duplicating the files. You're only using the storage space where the media already resides. If you choose to copy files to library, Final Cut Pro duplicates the media files into the library package, which increases the amount of disk space used. However, keep in mind that leave files in place works best if you're using external drives or have a well-organized file system. If you move or delete the original files from their location, Final Cut Pro may lose access to them. This option saves memory in terms of disk space, but does not affect RAM usage during editing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.